Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. These are student Meghana. She got placed in a company. Now she is going to share experience about PySpiders.
Hello, I'm Meghana. I'm a 2024 passed out student. I studied engineering in electronics and communication at Acharya Institute of Technology. So I joined here PySpiders in the month of June, and I really had a very good experience. Especially with the training was too good, and I would definitely say this is the best coaching and training that I had here. And also the boot camps also helped a lot with the presenting skills and all that, which helped me with for the interviews and all that. The teaching here is too good, the best, and I had a very great experience for the 6 months of time.
Okay. All the best for her further career.